All right. So today I went on Amazon and I bought a bunch of Japanese snacks per Brock's request. We've done this before, but not on video. So we're just gonna dive right in. Brock, you make the first pick. Now, mind you, I have no idea what any of these are, but that's, I don't know if you can see, that's that. We're gonna try this.
I'm the youngest, so I could try it first.
Okay. How do we open it? There we go. Oh,
Ooh, they're sticks.
they're little candy sticks.
They look like chalk. They look like chalk.
They
sticks.
do look like chalk.
Eating chalk?
Oh,
What? Smell weird? Oh.
smells like a chemical.
Oh, look. It smells like lemon chemical. Oh.
It smells like Pine Sol. Mm.
Oh, wow.
Kind of tastes like,
Kind of tastes like the lemon and lime sucker. Tastes like lemon.
tastes like Sprite without the carbonation.
It just tastes like
It's sour.
Tastes like a lemon head, but not as sour.
Mm-hmm. No,
I like it.
not bad.
I want another one. Pretty good.
We'll have more later. Okay. Brody, your turn.
They're hard to chew.
All right. Try these. I think they're corn. Let me see. Corn.
These
On
are
them.
probably going to taste like one. I wonder what these taste like.
Mmm. They smell good. Here, put that down.
They're good.
Put that down.
Oh my gosh, that's good. I love it. No, really good. Wow.
Good.
Yeah.
What do they taste like?
They taste like corn with salt. They're like potato
These are my
chips.
favorite out of all of them.
All the textures.
It tastes like pirate booties.
Yeah, pirate booties.
Yeah.
But just with a little bit different
This
taste.
is
Pirate booties.
the last time we tried these.
Oh,
Those
wow.
were
Oh, you can see them.
I
Oh,
really
wow.
buy those if you can. They're
Okay.
best.
They're good.
I want to try these.
Okay.
Again, don't know
They kind of look like
what they
these
are,
ones.
but they look like
Kind of
seasoned.
looks like these ones.
Oh, yeah, they do.
I have another one.
Here you go. There you go. Ooh. You don't like them? I like them.
Tastes like
No.
barbecue sauce.
Those are really good.
And it does taste like barbecue sauce. Okay, back your choice.
I'm interested about
Every time we have time, I'm just gonna suck on this.
Uh-huh.
this one.
All right, I'm gonna try this one.
Looks like it has a duck on it.
I don't.
It's
Okay, we don't know what it says, so we don't know what flavor it is.
because it's Japanese.
Oh,
It's all Japanese.
okay.
Japanese.
Here, your pick, your first bite.
Ew.
I can't eat that.
No.
I can't.
Tastes like rotten ketchup. Eh.
Brody, your choice.
Kind of burning my tongue.
Okay. Today, please.
Ew.
Okay.
Kind of look like
I
vitamins.
think they're like, they do look like vitamins. I see them.
Kind of
It's
look
like
like
number
the art
6.
thingy, like
All right.
the board thingy.
What
and
color?
then, I want red.
Green. They look like Skittles.
I'll do
They
pink.
taste like M&Ms.
Tastes like M&M's.
They taste like M&Ms.
They're like little tiny.
They actually taste like M&Ms.
Oh wow.
They are M&Ms.
They're M&Ms.
It's an M&M.
It's an
Okay.
M&M.
Now your turn.
lemon.
My turn. Mm-hmm.
I was thinking of taking.
Oh,
Whoa, looks like
what
a
is that?
popsicle.
It's like juice. But it's like jelly.
Hang on, let me
Do we have
jelly.
scissors? Can you get the scissors?
Hopefully, maybe we can put that in the freezer and save it for the last one. 'cause it, we
No,
can
I
make
don't
it
think
as
this
a
is
popsicle.
supposed to be.
I can't find them.
Frozen. Oh wait, I got it. I got it.
I actually
Juice
lost
or
a
is
tooth.
it jelly?
It's like a jelly.
Okay, it's jelly.
Oh.
Wow. It's a push-up. I want to try some.
It's like a jelly.
It's jello.
Oh!
It looks like.
Ew!
Ew. Ew.
Oh, it feels like slime. It feels
Oh,
like slime.
stop pulling.
It feels like
Brock,
slime.
stop pulling it.
It feels like
Oh, it does feel like slime. Ew. It's like.
It's
Hey,
cold.
weird. Ew. Oh my.
Oh my god, that's
Oh.
disgusting. I'm gonna grab a
The texture of it feels like a booger in your mouth. I don't know what that is, but it's, look at,
It
Look
tastes so weird.
I can't,
Oh,
can't.
juice box.
All right. Brock, your choice.
I'm interested about these.
You're interested about those?
They kind of look like bacon.
Don't mind us, we're getting beverages. Brody, you got it?
No.
Juice box.
Here, let me help you.
You stay here.
There you go. Okay, you're interested about these.
Look like bacon.
It does look like bacon. It looks, I don't know.
It looks so much like bacon.
I don't know what I'm eating. If it smells bad,
That means you shouldn't eat it.
it doesn't smell terrible.
Let me smell it.
It smells like cat food.
It looks like a chip.
It smells like
smell it.
cat food.
Let me smell.
It smells like cat food.
Oh,
I'm not. It smells like cat food. Ew. Sounds like a chip. It looks sticky.
All right, does it?
tastes like anything? Yeah. No, I'm not trying it. If you guys don't like it,
I'll
I'll
switch.
switch. I'll switch the
I don't-
box with the garbage can.
I don't know if it was the taste or the
Oh,
texture.
oh,
yeah,
oh.
yeah. Like the,
Get
tex-
in, you have
the
a juice
texture
box.
gets you, but then the taste
You have
creeps
a juice
up,
box, Brock.
and it's not good.
But I don't want to keep that in my mouth with the juice
It's not good.
box.
Oh, the juice box will make it taste better.
That's what we're not keeping that right. All right, bro, your turn.
Oh, blah blah.
How about this little guy?
Well, we can't all try that. We'll do the little pieces of candy later.
What about
Let's
that
try
one?
the big
Use
things.
same thing.
What
Let's
about that one, Brody?
Okay, let's pick this one.
Oh, no, I want
Hurry up then.
Marshmallow.
Okay.
All right,
I think it looks good.
this looks like it's grape.
It looks like it's
I
bubbles.
like grape candies.
I don't really want to eat it because it has a soap bottle on it.
Oh, it's grape.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's like a cupcake.
Okay. Is it a marshmallow or is it a gummy?
It doesn't really taste like anything. For the moment, it tastes.
Oh.
For
Oh,
the
the
moment,
gummy tastes good. Oh, it's sour.
first it tastes like nothing, and then it tastes
Yeah, I
like
want another bite.
That's good.
It tastes like grape. Brady doesn't like grape.
It's like a subtle grape though. It's
I
not
know.
like punch you in the face grape.
Why does my toe feel hard?
What is that?
Toe feels hard. Oh.
Okay. All right, my turn. I want to try the other panda. We've already tried one of these. It was like the regular one, but this one's melon.
I don't want to try that.
This one's gonna be good. Here, just try the ear.
I'll eat it here.
He already ate the ear,
It
but that's what
doesn't
it looks
taste
like.
like anything. It does not taste like
Here,
anything.
try the other ear.
Nothing.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Actually.
It tastes like a melon cookie.
Yeah.
I like it.
Mhm. Yeah, it's good.
It's my turn, I think.
Your turn.
Put it over there.
Uh-uh.
I want another one of those sticks.
I'm not trying that again.
I think it's
Back, you're right in the camera.
This one.
Okay.
I'm gonna take another bite of this.
Trying it first. That was pretty good.
Oh. I don't know if you can see in there. But they're like the
French
little
Fries.
fries.
Oh yeah, these were good last time.
We had these before.
Yeah,
They're
they do
good.
They kind of taste good, but
They're really crunchy.
At the beginning, they
They're
taste a
plain.
little. Yeah. At the beginning, they taste a little weird, but then at the end, they get better.
Okay. Brody, your turn.
What did you?
He
pick
just
that?
picked.
But it's your turn.
It's your
Mommy.
turn. You just
Mommy,
picked.
you should know it's
Okay.
French fries because it has the logo of French fries.
Pick quick. All right.
Oh man, these are good.
What is this?
Oh.
Oopsie.
Oh.
Is that
They're
what?
like little tiny.
Oh, they make little chips.
I don't know if you can see.
Wow.
Here.
I'm gonna eat that whole bag of them.
Just stop. Stop. You gotta try other things. No? I like them.
It tastes like. Yeah. What do they taste like?
Tastes like
I've tried
nothing.
before.
I don't know.
I like them.
It's not bad though.
Yeah.
wanna
It feels like it was from McDonald's.
Okay, my turn.
That's pretty cool.
Also, it's me, you, Brock.
Brock, you, then me.
Oh.
I'm gonna try these.
Look at that cute little elephant.
Oh my god.
Kind of looks like he's a unicorn because he has a hat.
Yep. Okay.
Unicorn.
The you.
Ooh, they smell good.
What the
They look like little cookies.
Uh-huh.
They do taste like cookies.
Mmm.
They taste like.
Wow.
At the end, it kind of tastes hot.
The end, it tastes
Blech.
good.
I don't want any more.
Okay, Brock, your turn.
I want to try these. They're matcha. Matcha.
Machawa. I don't think
Like little ramen noodles.
Machawa.
They're really just like plain Japanese.
All right.
You're dropping them everywhere.
Well, what would you like me to do? They fell out. Here, open your hand.
Okay. Why are they so tiny?
Open your hand.
Oh yeah, I remember these.
They're like little ramens.
Okay, yeah, more.
Both hands, Brock. Mmm. Those are good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bub. That's a chocolate chip cookie. Want to try that one? Chocolate chip cookie. Okay. I still can't with this. That's not right.
No.
Oh.
Me first. I picked it.
Chocolate chip cookie.
Mm. I wonder what it tastes like.
Oh, that's the best one out of them.
Oh.
I'll let them enjoy that. So it's my turn again. What are these flavors? I wish I knew what the flavors were. Stop, you're moving the table,
What about
please.
this? Wow. Wow.
We're gonna try this. It has a chicken on it.
Tastes like Hershey's.
Oh, it does.
It has a chicken on it.
Oh, I mean,
Here we go.
chicken. If you give me that look, I'm definitely not going to try it.
It's not terrible. It tastes like chicken. It tastes like chicken. It tastes like I just ate a chicken bouillon cube. Okay, bro. Brock, sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh, no, my
that one
cheese
was-
box.
no.
I don't want to try any more of the sticks. Those probably don't taste good.
I want to try.
We'll eliminate the sticks.
So nice.
What sticks?
This is
Come on.
So good. This.
Japanese. You don't know what it is.
It's a home pie. It says a home pie.
I forgot about this one. Stop eating out.
Brock, you gotta share all that stuff. with
Yeah,
us.
you're already eating half of
Excuse
that.
me. You're not a part of this.
I can't help it. They're so
Well, I'm
good.
not part of it.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay. know what it tastes like.
You don't like it?
I don't know what it tastes like. Okay.
I don't like it.
It don't really taste like anything.
I don't like it.
I see you, cute little marshmallow.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Hi,
All right.
little marshmallow.
I'm gonna try these. I feel like wafers.
A little pancake.
They look like a breakfast sandwich.
Oh, they're salty.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's
It's salty.
it's
Very salty.
Tastes like vitamins. Yeah.
Come
I
back,
do
back.
not like vitamins. It's my turn.
Yeah, I can't do though.
Yeah.
Okay.
My turn.
Yep.
But it's not in anymore. I can't stand it.
Here.
I'm gonna try the marshmallows.
Here, open that piece. Open that piece.
I kind of forgot what these do.
Like a giant marshmallow. I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste like a marshmallow.
Yeah.
You guys can split that. I don't like marshmallows.
Oh, it's so squishy.
It's marshmallow.
Yep.
It's definitely marshmallow.
I'm gonna save this for later.
All right. Here, back.
What? Grape? More grape.
We got all these. I think they're like high chews. Would you stop? Finish what we're doing. Come on.
I got chili.
I got the grape. Rox got the strawberry. And
What?
Brody's got, I think, lime.
I can't open it.
Or apple.
Can't open it.
Hopefully not sour.
I'm excited what it's gonna taste like. Kind of familiar with these. Ugh. They look.
It's apple.
Oh my.
Is it good?
Tastes like all the different kinds of grapes.
Ooh.
Grapes, strawberries,
Mmm.
and other ones.
Oh, good.
Mine is so good. It's not sour.
Why does it need to be so good?
These are next. I'm not sure what they are.
I want the cat.
Is there a YouTube video with Cubby in it?
Oh.
We could show Cubby because I can go get him.
Oh. Is this gum?
There's your cat.
I think it's gum. If
I
it's
just
gum,
have
don't
the
eat
other
it.
one in my mouth.
It's gum. So just wait until we're done.
Should we eat this at the end of the video?
We got this. I think it's like another little marshmallow thing.
After we eat all of those, we need to eat the sticks.
Brody, put him down. Put him down.
After we eat all of those, we
Oh,
need
it's
to
got chocolate in it.
eat. Mine doesn't.
No, this is a chocolate marshmallow.
Oh. It tastes like a s'more.
Does it?
I'm chewing on the other one.
It tastes like a s'more.
Little tiny red candy. Oh,
I'm gonna try some of the gum.
that does. I don't know if I can eat that. That does not look good. I'm gonna pass.
That was pretty good.
Then we got this little orange one that we'll try later. And then I think that's mint.
Oh, I want it.
And that is, I mean, we have all of these to try still.
Did you get those out?
But I don't know if,
They don't look good. If we tried 2 of them, they didn't taste good.
I don't know if we're gonna like those. So we might do those later. So guys, that was our trying a Japanese box that we got from Amazon. We liked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
You can
like
eat
about
the
12 out of the 20
gum. You can
something
eat the
things.
gum.
Maybe more. We haven't tried all of them, but that was fun.
Yeah, pretty fun.
I like them, and
I like those.
these are really good.
I know. Those are the best.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
We're gonna try other things. We're gonna look and see what else we can get
Oh, that's
to
it.
try other things. Good.
I love
I want
these.
another stick.
Bye, guys.